Hey there, it's me talking about rainfall, drought issues, flooding issues, gardening issues. In Florida, where I live, we seem to have feast or famine when it comes to rain. In the summer, especially during hurricane season, we have a lot of rain, a lot. Like, I have to prepare for flood conditions. In the winter months, it's the complete opposite. We have extreme drought conditions, we have fire issues. But in Florida, our prime gardening time and growing seasons is in the winter during the dry season. We also get put on water restrictions during the winter. So it's hard to keep your vegetables and your plants and your grass and everything growing. So I was thinking, rain barrel. And in the state of Florida, you're allowed to have a rain barrel. And here with my HOA, as long as it can't be visible by the road and it doesn't cause a nuisance, I can have a rain barrel. So I said, well, I'm going to start little first and work my way up. So just to kind of give you the information on the rain. For December, January, February, each month gets about an inch, almost 2 inches of rain. Meanwhile, in, I believe that's June, July, and August. Let me check. I got to go all the way up to the top. Yeah, June, July, and August, they average between 7 and 9 inches of rain. And that's if we don't have a hurricane. So, like all of us do, I went on YouTube University and watched a ton of videos on rain barrels. And kind of figured it out from there. So I'm going to show you some of the supplies I got. I got this Brute trash can. It's a smaller one. What does it say? It doesn't even say how many gallons it is, does it? Let me see. Shouldn't it say somewhere? It says it's recyclable. $10-gallon. So I got a 10-gallon. I know that doesn't seem very big, but again. And then it comes with a cover. And I looked for one that will snap on the sides but also has this big circle, because this is going to be like my template to cut out. And then I got some, this is called plastic welding mesh. So it's a very fine net. And my thought was, we're going to cut that hole out from the center, and we're going to put this, 2 of them, and this is going to catch leaves and make it so hopefully we don't have like a mosquito colony living in there. Because that's another issue with standing water in Florida. Okay. And then it was like $12 on Amazon. I ordered a rain barrel spigot kit. It literally came with everything. Oh, that's something beside the point. So it came with, I'm going to call this the gasket. I don't know what it's called, but you know, it's like, it goes, hold on, let me unscrew it. Okay, so it unscrews, and then this, I believe, goes on the inside of the barrel. This goes on the outside, unless it goes the other way. Oops. And then plumber's tape, and then the spigot that attaches to it, and then this is a little adapter so you can attach a garden hose to it if you want to. Okay, so then what I did was I went through my Forstner bits, and we wanted to find one was about the same size as I don't know if you can see that or not, but like the same size around as this one. So I found that. That's what was in here with this all, so I didn't forget it or lose it. Not that I ever lose anything. Never. So, and then what I did, somewhere, I took a Sharpie and took the pipes, the gasket thingy, and I drew a circle where I was going to put it because I want to make sure it's that like I can put things underneath it. I am going to make a little stand for it, but just in case. So our first thing is we're going to take the Forstner bit, drill a hole here, and I'm going to figure out how to cut this out. Okay, so let's get drilling. Okay, so I know there's probably quite a few of there thinking, isn't this how we ended up in the emergency room? Even better, because I don't have an adult to drive me to the emergency room tonight. So we're taking the Forstner bit right where we made the hole. We're gonna do it nice and slow, and here we go. Everything I watched, they said to let the drill do the work and don't push it. It's going really slow though, dude. Okay, I must speed it up to 2. We're gonna live on the wild side. Here we go. I hate that noise. Okay, so it's like basically through. Okay. Ooh, I got the little plastic things all over me. Okay, and then we're supposed to take this and make sure all the little mini fiber things are gone off of it. That worked out way easier than I thought it was going to. Okay, now we need that spigot thingy. I have to remember which way this goes. I kind of think it goes that way. So yeah, so we put this through like this, and then can you see in there? And then we put, I don't know if this is right. I'm thinking the smooth side. And then nope. Nope. Does it go opposite direction? Is that why this isn't working for me? I think it's supposed to be flat side. Oh, and it goes the opposite direction. So instead of righty-tighty, it goes lefty-loosey. So it's lefty-tighty. Kind of like with your drill, you know, when you put your drill bit and you're chucking it up and you go the opposite direction. Same with this. Okay. So we got that in there. Oh. Shit. Was I supposed to put the plumber's tape in there too? I think I was. Oops. Okay, so take it back out. Oh, except for don't go lefty-loosey, go righty-tighty. So do I put it there? Where do I put it though? On the other side? I think we should put it here. I think we should put it here. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to put some of this stuff. And you're supposed to go the opposite way you're threading it. So we're threading it this way, So we want to go that way? How do you... Huh? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to thread it this way then. Shouldn't my scissors be able to cut this? Okay, I got that there. Now I'm gonna screw it back into the hole. Then I'm going to put, you see, I'm gonna put the gasket back on. And then I'm gonna take this and go lefty. Now I'm doing this wrong. It's hard to do backwards. Okay. I think I got it on. Can you see that? So then, which way does this go? This goes right. So then we want to go this way with the tape. Neither one of the sides of this tape feels sticky, but so I don't understand how it's tape, but it's all right. Okay. Yikes, stay. Okay, and then I'm going to the right. Right? Yes. Can you see me? That didn't work. It's not locking. I don't know how cool I am with that. Okay. And then, sure if I'm doing this right. Then this goes this way. Okay. So, what the hell? It's all tangled up. Does it need to stay flat? Because it's not staying flat. There ain't nothing flat about this tape. Just saying. Okay, that's gonna have to get off because it's irritating me. Okay, stay. Oh shit, look at that, so messy. Messy, messy, messy. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the right. Okay. I'm just gonna lean you back. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some water and fill this up. So I'll set that all up because I want to see if it leaks. What I figure to do is I'll fill it up with some water, and then while it's sitting there with water in it, we're testing it for leaks, I'll be making the hole in the cover thingy. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so you can kind of see the spigot. And I don't even know which way is on and off of the spigot either. Close. Open. Close. Ooh, it's hard to turn. Should it be that hard to turn? Or is it something I don't... Okay, there it goes. Okay. I figured that this way with like that light backlighting it, we'll be able to see if anything drips pretty quickly. But I don't know if this is enough water. Ooh, it's not enough water. Hopefully this will fill it over the nozzle. There we go. It's over the nozzle. Now we're going to sit here and watch it leak? Oh, I don't know. So we're gonna let this sit overnight and see if it leaks at all. And then tomorrow, when I get home from work, we'll cut the hole for the cover and see if this thing leaked at all.